8 series, it is for laboratory and pathology. From this, in your exam, 6 questions it will come. In that first topic, I'm going to explain about panel coding. Panel coding. What is a panel? Please make it note. Number of individual tests. Number of individual tests commonly referred together. Number of individual tests. A number of tests commonly referred. Commonly referred together. Panel. Commonly referred together. Panel. Number of individual tests commonly referred together. Panel. See, so we have the panels. Page number. You can take the code, starting code of the 80047. 80047. Please take everyone. What page number that code present? 596. Yes. So 80047. Page number 596. Basic metabolic panel, calcium ionized. This is one panel. Basic metabolic panel, calcium total, 80048. And electrolyte general health panel, then electrolyte panel, then comprehensive metabolic panel, then obstetric panel, then OB panel including HIV testing, then lipid panel, renal functional panel, acute hepatitis panel, hepatic functional panels. So totally, how many panels present? Page number 596 and 597. Please check and tell. Totally, how many panels present?
11 panels.
Total, we have 11 panels. Correct? Yes, you are right. So, any panel code want to use, any panel code want to use, that panel below, what is listed? How many tests listed? All done. Any panel code want to use, that panel below, what is listed? All tests done, you can go with the panel. That panel below, what is listed, all performed, then you can go with the panel code. Example 80047 want to code that panel below mentioned calcium ionized, carbon dioxide, chloride, creatinine, glucose, potassium, sodium, urine nitrogen. This is all 8 tests done only, 8 tests performed only. You can go with the code 80047. So in that, any one or two tests missing, don't go with 80047. Panel below what is listed, all done, can go with the panel. In there any one or two tests missing, don't code panel, code each test separately. Everyone understood? Panel met, that quantities test meeting, you can give panel code. If not met, code each test separately. This point everyone understood? Everyone understood this point? Panel met, panel code, panel not met code, each test separately. Okay. Suppose if doing two panels, if doing two panels, in the two panels, which panel is having more number of tests? That panel code you need to give first. Two panels done. In the two panels, which panel is having more number of tests? That panel code you need to give first. Please remember everyone, two panels done. In the two panels, which panel is having more number of tests? That panel code you have to give first. Then smallest panel below whatever test listed, all it is coming in the higher or not, need to check. Higher or not, need to check. Everything coming in the higher itself means no need to code smallest panel separately. Everything coming in the higher panel itself, no need to code smallest panel separately. But while cross checking, smallest panel one test present, but that is not in the higher. Remaining all present. 10 tests is there, that all 10 tests, all 9 tests coming in the higher, but only one test not coming in the higher panel. In that time, what you will do? Two panels done. In that two panel, you given the higher panel CPT. After that, while cross checking, smallest panel one test, 10 tests is there. In that 9 tests coming in the higher, but only one test not coming in the higher panel. In that time, what you will do? Guys, what you will do? Two panels done. In that higher panel CPT first, then smallest panel below whatever is listed, everything coming in the higher or not, need to cross check. Everything coming in the higher now, code only higher panel. But one test present in the smallest, that is not in the higher, first higher panel code, and very good. That small, which is missing in the higher panel. That test you need to give additionally, separately. Okay. So now you can tell. Now you can tell. Now I given two panels, right? What are the two panels I given mean? Comprehensive metabolic panel, CMP. Comprehensive metabolic panel and basic metabolic panel, calcium ionized. Calcium ionized panel and comprehensive metabolic panel. Please compare this and give the correct answer. These two panel. Guys, these two panel, please compare and tell correct answer. Basic metabolic panel and comprehensive metabolic panel. Can compare and tell what is the exact correct answer. Now only I said two panel, higher panel code first, then smallest panel, whatever test present, everything coming in the higher now, no issues. But one test not coming in the higher now, code that test alone additionally. Okay, here I'm comparing in the two panel. A0053 is the higher panel. Okay, A0053. So I given first, and I'm comparing the smallest panel test in the higher present or not. So urea nitrogen present in the higher, sodium present, potassium present, glucose present, creatinine present, fluoride present, carbon dioxide present, calcium ionized. See, in the smallest panel, calcium ionized present, but that is not in the higher. So what we need to do? That test alone you need to give additionally 8233, 8233. Everyone clear? Guys, please make it note of this. Two panels, then higher panel code first, then smallest panel, whatever test present, that is everything coming in the higher now, code only higher. But one test present the smallest, that is not in the higher. That CPT alone you can code additionally along with the higher panel code. Guys, everyone clear?
புரியல சார் இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லுங்க.
Two panels done, higher panel CPT you have to give. So in this two panel, which is the higher panel? Comprehensive metabolic panel is there, basic metabolic panel is there. In the two panel, which panel is higher panel?
80053.
Yeah, I given that code first. Okay. Now smallest panel is what?
80047.
That smallest panel is 80047. Below test given, right? That all coming in the higher or not, you need to check. Everything coming in the higher panel.
Is 822 மட்டும் missing.
Yeah, 82330. That code alone not coming. That test alone not coming. So I'm giving that CPT additionally. Yes, that is not in the higher.
So no need to give 80047, sir.
No. Because the sodium, potassium, glucose, creatinine already coming in the higher, right? Again, you are telling two times. One test, one time only we have to code, right? So you are giving that code also mean the duplicate. Correct? Two times you are reporting. That is not correct. One test, one time only. That is everything coming in the higher itself in code only higher panel. Suppose missing alone, smallest panel, some test present, that is not in the higher, no? That alone you have to code additionally. Not panel code. Please remember, don't give panels. Now clear? So I'm giving examples. You need to take this. So here I'm giving the panels 1 to 6 questions. CMP, comprehensive metabolic panel, electrolyte panel, CMP renal functional panel, CMP lipid panel, CMP with hepatic functional panel, OP panel including HIV testing with CMP, CMP calcium total with electrolyte panel. This 6 questions you need to answer. Not now. Next class you need to submit. Next class you need to submit this 6 question answers. And one more topic I will explain. Smallest topic. Please wait. Everyone write this one surgical pathology notes. Guys, that 6 question you have to take panel coding concept basis. You need to submit the answer before starting next class. Okay. So here, next topic, surgical pathology. Everyone write quickly, 2 minutes. Please take and write and go and check the code also inside the book. Please write it, everyone. Okay. So they are doing surgery and taking the sample, sending to the pathological examination. Then how they are examining the sample, taking sample or doing the surgery and taken the tissues. That tissues sending to the pathological examination. There how they are looking. That is the surgical pathology code sets. W300 to 309. This is the code sets. Seeing through eye and giving the result, it is for gross examination only. Seeing through eye and giving the result, it is gross. Seeing through eye and looking in microscope, that is for the gross and microscope. Only gross. So only gross mean only one code. First code is the only gross. Level 1, W300. Then level 2 to level 6, it is the cross and microscope. So level 2 to level 6, it is the gross and microscope. Only gross first code. Then level 2 to level 6, it is for gross and microscope. So W302, 304, 305, 306. Sorry, 307. So level 1, it is for gross examination. Level 2 to level 6, it is for gross and microscope. This codes and all present in the what page number, guys? Okay, 688. Please go there. So W300 is the level 1 gross examination only. Then W302 is the gross and microscope. So level 2 to level 6, it is the gross and microscope. Page number 688, 689, 690. Okay, in these pages you have to look. So here that sample name, they're taking sample, right? That sample name is can be either surgery name, site name, disease name. Maybe surgery name, site name, disease name. Surgery, site, disease. Surgery, site, disease. So that surgery is present in the what level, or site name present in the what level, or disease name present in the what level. Like that you need to take. Okay. Sample taken from ganglion cyst, Grosson microscope. What is the answer? Sample taken from the ganglion cyst, Grosson microscope. Sample taken from ganglion cyst, Grosson microscope.
88304.
88304, sir.
Yes, correct. W304 under only we have ganglion cyst. So like that only you need to take the Grosson microscopical surgical pathological examination course. Yes, you are right. W300 is the correct. Yes, 304. So like that only you need to take. Okay. So only questions only I'm giving now. Like this, you can take for the all other questions. You can check that name, surgery, disease present under what level. The gross or gross on microscope. The checklist you need to check. Okay, your appendix, bicuspid wall, skin ulcer, lymph node, uterus for prolapse, uterus without prolapse, uterus for neoplasm, finger amputation, TURP, testis tumor. Okay, please take these all 10 question answers. This also you can give in the next class. And please wait, I'm giving other questions also. So panel coding related 6 questions and surgical pathology related 10 questions. And now I'm giving direct questions. So this direct questions you need to go with your book backside of the CPT therapeutic drug assay under digoxin or doxypin. Then chromosome analysis under cryonic villus. What? 2 characters with banding and all you need to take. So these 6 questions you need to go with your book backside alphabetical index. You can try and get the direct questions from this 2 questions. It will come in the exam. Okay, so please try this also. So total 22 questions you need to answer. So here 6, panel coding 6, and surgical pathology 10. It is all answers you need to submit. Okay, tomorrow. So okay, this much only today's session. Will continue tomorrow.